guys, that was pretty darn fast. We've got maybe, how much dry time for chalk paint? So
because this is so thin,
yeah,
not a thick coverage, probably 30 minutes tops. It actually feels dry.
It does.
Already. In 30 minutes or so, we are gonna apply some clear wax to the white paint. You have to seal chalk paint with either wax, hemp oil, or you can use poly. Because we're going for the farmhouse look, we're gonna use wax. It gives a little bit more of a rustic feel to it. So as soon as this is dry, we'll show you how to put the clear wax on.
And our top, we are going to be using a new product that we've never used before. And it is called Howard Feed and Wax Wood Polish and Conditioner. Has beeswax and orange oil in it, and that will freshen up the wood. So we're going all natural. It's gonna be beautiful. And tape is coming off.
Super easy, super fast. Oh, that makes it look even cuter.
Oh, it sure does.
Oh my gosh.
Love it when the green tape comes
Might
off.
have to keep this one.
We are doing an introductory to Howard Feed and Wax Wood Polish and Conditioner. You can get this on Amazon. We'll link it later. But we're gonna go for it. We're gonna do a little polishing. All right.
As per the instructions, it says to put it on a soft cloth.
Okay.
And we're gonna rub it in, whoop, rub it into our wood. Look, wow.
Oh, nice.
That is nice.
Look
Look how that just sucked it right in.
Yeah, the directions say to, if you have like unfinished wood, to kind of leave it in overnight and just let it soak in. And then it said to wait like 20 minutes to wipe off the excess.
Yeah.
This wood is just gonna suck it right up.
It totally is. Interesting.
Smells good. This is kind of a natural product.
Oh, it smells yummy.
Smells like Christmas. It's honey and orange. And it's kind of an all natural, nothing toxic here. I think it looks good. And I like that it's natural. And I like that we're not breathing in and losing our college degrees with toxic chemicals from the stripping agents. I like it.
Yeah, it's awesome. There. That's where I did.
So look in the drawer even. It just makes it look so clean and
Revitalizing it. There's where I haven't done.
yep. Get up there so we can see.
Okay. Here it comes. No.
Oh yeah, it makes it look real nice. Nice and clean and fresh. All right, so now that we are done with the protecting wood thing, what's it called again?
Howard Feed and Wax.
Feed and wax. I have a question. Do we need to wax all of this fresh wood or just wax the chalk paint?
We remember we're not going for protection up here. We want the natural wood, so we're just gonna keep it just like we did.
Okay. All right, last step. We're so excited about this table. We are going to be using this Stahlmeister brush. It's a wax applying brush, super thick, and Fusion Mineral Paint Furniture Wax. You dip it in and then you just go all over your whole piece. We're not going to wax the top because we left it natural wood. So our next little section will be the waxing. Then we let it dry, then we buff it, and then we're done. Fast piece.
Why are we waxing?
Oh, well, chalk paint will come off so easy. Like if you get any water on it, it's just gonna come straight off.
You have to seal the chalk paint.
You have to seal the chalk paint.
It's just required.
Yes, you can either do wax or polyurethane. We're gonna do wax because this isn't gonna get a whole lot of wear and tear. We would always do a top of a table with polyurethane, several coats. So let's see how this turns out. We're almost done. High five. Here's our new brush. It's brand new.
Wax brushes are stiffer.
Yep.
They help you cram the wax in where it needs to go.
Okay.
This is clear wax we're using. I will just stick that in there. It's kind of a paste consistency. And then I'm we just brush it on. Notice I'm using circular motions because you really want to make sure it gets crammed in there, in the nooks and the crannies of your wood. You don't want to miss any spots. Then I will go back and go in the direction of the grain of the wood to smooth it out. Oh, this wax is good. So good.
On this wax, you do not need to put a thick coating on, just a nice light brushing. Make sure you get through every single piece of wood. It's hard to sometimes keep track and you're like, oh, dang it, I missed a spot. So just make sure in your brain that you're keeping track of everything that you've done.
For more durability, you can add 2 coats of wax after the first coat has dried.
Yeah. Are we gonna do that?
I don't know, we'll see.
I think it's our last step.
It's the funnest step.
Oh, this is the muscle step.
The wax has dried, the clear wax, and now we're buffing it with a lint-free cloth. And sorry to say, this step requires a little bit of elbow grease.
Little bit of elbow grease.
Not bad. And this just brings out the shine and finishes your piece.
Because if you don't buff it, you're just gonna have a sticky kind of waxy.
It won't be sticky, it'll be a matte finish. And some people love the matte finish, and that's fine. You choose. But I kind of like it with a little bit of sheen.
All right. I think it's beautiful.